Shri Raghav Chadha.
Sir, India has offered its unflinching loyalty and undying friendship to the US. We have done everything possible to promote and protect the interest of the US and US companies in India. In fact, last week, the Honorable Finance Minister moved an amendment in the Finance Act and removed Google tax, which was an equalization levy of 6% on US companies like Meta, like Amazon, Google, etc., which has caused us a loss of about 3,000 crores. All this was done in order to woo the US administration.
Supplementary.
But despite, sir, I'm just setting the context.
But you have allowed others.
Despite this morning, the Trump administration has levied a 26% Trump tariff on Indian goods, which is likely to wreck the Indian economy, hit us by 50 to 100 basis points in terms of GDP loss, and we will lose our competitive advantage in the global market, particularly ensuring that the doors of the US market are closed for India. एक पुराने ज़माने का गाना याद आता है सर, अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का, यार ने ही लूट लिया घर यार का. It is in this context that I would like to ask the Honourable Minister through you, sir. It is in this context that I would like to ask the Honourable Minister through you that should we not withhold the requisite approvals for Elon Musk's Starlink, who is a very visible part of the US administration, and use that as a bargaining chip to renegotiate these Trump tariffs?
Honourable Minister.
Sir, Mr. Raghav Chadha is generally very eloquent, but he has become musical also nowadays. And the way he has framed his direct question with an indirect context. Let me say this, sir, that as a member of the government, and as I said this before in my earlier answer, my responsibility is only one, and that is to 1.4 billion consumers of telecommunications in India. It is my job to provide every opportunity and every available technology in the world to every single consumer in this country. Let me also apprise Honourable Member of Parliament that the only 2 licenses till now that have been given out for satellite technology in India at this point of time happen to be Indian companies, Reliance and Bharti Airtel. We have a very clear window that we have put together, which takes care of our consumers, takes care of India's security concerns, and if you are able to satisfy all those requirements which are the same for every provider of that satellite communication, the doors of India are open to you. The customer will decide which service provider the customer wants to go with. Let me also add here, sir, that India today not only holds the capability of being the largest telecom market in the world with 1.2 billion subscribers, but is also the cheapest telecom market in the world. 10 years ago, whereas voice was 51 paise a minute, today voice is 0.03 paise a minute. On the same front, where data was 286 rupees for 1 GB, today, sir, you will also be astonished. Data is 11 cents per GB, only 9 rupees per GB from 286 rupees. India today, and I would urge all members of Parliament across the board, because this is a USP of our country, of Bharat. We are today the cheapest data provider in the world. The average cost of data, sir, in the world, from developed countries to developing countries, is $2.59 per GB. India is 11 cents per GB. We are not close to about only 5% of the data cost of the world. So all data business must come to India because we have that capability, sir.
Supplementary number 2, Raghav Chadha.
Sir, 3 very worrying incidents have happened in the recent past. First is that Elon Musk on his platform X threatened the Ukrainian government, saying that my Starlink system is the backbone of the Ukrainian army and the entire front line would collapse if I turn it off. I'm setting the context.
Mr. Raghav Chadha, 1 second.
I have to highlight 3 issues.
One second. One
You have to
second.
permit me to...
No. Yeah.
So I want to place this on record. We are not here to answer with regard to any company's policies. We are here for the consumers of India. The Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, represents 1.4 billion people. India, which is a power, economic and a political power across the world today. We are not here to answer for any particular company.
Honorable member,
Please let me
see,
finish.
I think I will have to give a different nomenclature to my dear friend Jairam Ramesh, being savior of everyone, beyond his party also. Jairam ji, Raghav Chadha is effectively energized to handle his affairs and does not need such kind of support even on parliamentary platform. Raghav ji,
Above all, I need your support and your patronage, sir. I need your protection.
This morning you raised a 267 in absentia.
Yes.
I did not reveal this subject to the House. Let me do it now.
Please do, sir.
You are very severely obsessed with this issue of what Trump is doing or someone else is doing. The minister has categorically stated, ask your second supplementary, which is little Indianized.
Sir, I am severely obsessed with anything that hurts the Indian interest and particularly the Indian economic interest. And that is what brings me to this House. And I will continue to passionately raise every issue that
So
hurts
please
my country.
raise it.
Sir, my question, if
Within
you would
the
have heard my
framework.
question, you would have understood that it is only and only about India. The second worrying incident after Elon Musk's threat to the Ukrainian army, which I wanted to raise, was that about 4 months ago, there was a big drug burst in Andaman where about 6,000 kgs of synthetic drugs were recovered, and it was discovered that a Myanmar-based smuggler was using Starlink satellite internet for navigation. When the Indian government, sir, let me finish, when the Indian government sought the ownership of the devices and the usage of its device, Starlink refused the Indian government, saying we will not provide you with this data, citing some data privacy laws. My question through you to the Honourable Minister is that what is the government's plan to address such resistance from Starlink, and how are we going to address this issue of potential misuse of satellite internet spectrum that we are likely to give, particularly Starlink?
One second. Honorable members, Honorable members, I would appreciate members to be extremely vigilant with answers. When this point was asked in an earlier question, in a pointed manner, the Honorable Minister declared in categorical terms, in this country, in no part of this country this happens. Categorically. No, he said, the minister did not confine to Manipur. The minister said, on every inch of this country, there can be no such incursion, and there has been no incursion. How many times you would want him to reiterate? Come on, Honourable Minister. Let us be vigilant for every reply.
Sir, I wanted